What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadesha and we are back with another natural hair tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into the video. For today's video, we'll be working with Toyotress hair. They sent us these lovely 8-inch Yanky Twist and we have the color T30. So let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. Received the crochet needle and then we received 10 packs of hair. So this is their Yanki Twist 8-inch. Received 10 packs of hair and one pack has like 20 strands on there, so it should be enough to do a full head. This is it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the video, but I will be leaving the link down below. If you guys want to purchase this hair, go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. Today we're using the Kiss braiding gel. This is their maximum hold edge control. And also we're using these elastic bands from Annie. My hair is really short, so take my time and get this done as neatly as possible. So if you haven't subscribed, now is a chance to go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we move into the video. guys, so this is the final look. This is it. I absolutely love these. Like, these are probably the best crochet hair I've ever like installed. I love how small it is, but it still just comes out so pretty, and I love it. This is it. It is super lightweight, super easy to install because it came with some big loops. This is it. I love the color as well because it gives us natural in the roots, and then it looks like we just dyed our hair at the end. This is it, super lightweight. Let me show you guys the back. Again, this hair is from Toyotress Hair. This is their 8-inch Yanki Twist, and I love it. I love the color. This is actually the color T30, and I love it. It has given us a really pretty look. I was using 5 packs of hair. They sent us 10. I ended up using 5 packs for my whole head, and if I feel like I need to add more, I will, but I feel like it's giving us a really natural look as if I did them individually. This is it. I love how it turned out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some styles so you can see the versatility of the hair. But if you want to get these fox locks, go ahead and check out my description. I will be leaving the link down below. I will be leaving the link to Toyotress Hair. If you want to get any other products, go ahead and check out my description. I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair.